There's something surprisingly calming about doing laundry. The sound of clothes tumbling in the machine, the warmth of freshly dried fabric, the quiet rhythm of folding each piece into its place. For some people, laundry isn't just a chore. It's a ritual, a moment of clarity, a kind of emotional reset. But why? Why do some people actually enjoy doing laundry when so many others see it as a never-ending task? Today, let's explore the psychology behind it. Not in a way that judges or labels, but in a gentle, curious way that helps us understand why laundry can feel so healing. To certain kinds of people, laundry is one of the few household tasks that has a clear beginning, middle, and end. You wash, you dry, you fold, and suddenly, it's done. In a world full of unfinished business, open-ended problems, and emotional uncertainties, laundry offers something simple and predictable: completion. For people who love doing laundry, this sense of completion brings comfort. It creates a moment of control, a feeling of "I can finish this," especially on days when nothing else feels manageable. It's not about the task. It's about the emotional experience of finishing something that stays finished, at least for a little while. There's also a psychological idea called sensory soothing. Laundry touches almost all the senses. The feel of warm fabric, the scent of clean clothes, the sound of machines humming, the visual order of folded stacks. These sensations create a kind of quiet pleasure, simple, grounding, and deeply satisfying. It's similar to how some people find peace in cooking, watering plants, or cleaning. The body becomes part of the ritual, and the mind relaxes in response. For people who love laundry, the sensory experience is a comfort they return to again and again. Another reason is emotional clarity. Laundry is repetitive, familiar, and calming, which helps the mind settle. It creates a small pocket of mental quiet. When you're sorting colors, folding shirts, or matching socks, your mind gets a chance to breathe. Thoughts soften. Feelings organize themselves. Problems stop shouting. It's not just laundry. It's meditation through movement. For people who carry heavy thoughts or overthink easily, laundry becomes a way to reset the mind without forcing it to be still. There's also something deeply symbolic about clean clothes. When you wash something, you transform it. You take something used, dirty, or wrinkled, and make it fresh again. In a subtle way, this mirrors what many people long for emotionally: a sense of renewal, a sense of starting fresh, a sense of letting go of yesterday and stepping into a clean new moment. Doing laundry gives a small taste of that feeling. It's a physical expression of emotional cleansing. For people who love laundry, this symbolism is powerful, even if they don't realize it. Some people love doing laundry because it feels like an act of care: folding clothes for someone, washing blankets that keep your family warm, preparing clean outfits for the next day. These gestures become little expressions of love. Laundry becomes a quiet way of saying, "I'm taking care of myself," or "I'm taking care of the people I love." Not everyone sees laundry this way, but for those who do, each load becomes a kind of emotional service. Simple, but meaningful. There's another layer too: structure. Doing laundry creates routine, a predictable pattern in the week, a familiar rhythm that gives the day shape. For people who feel overwhelmed or easily thrown off by chaos, laundry provides stability. It gives life a small, steady anchor. Even the steps of laundry: sorting, washing, drying, folding, putting away, create a sequence the mind can trust. And when the world feels uncertain, that kind of sequence feels safe. Some people love laundry because the task itself doesn't ask much emotionally. It doesn't require conversation, decision-making, or emotional labor. It's quiet. It's solitary. It's peaceful. For introverts, for people with busy minds, For people who feel emotionally drained, that peacefulness becomes precious. Laundry becomes a moment of retreat, a chance to step away, be alone, and reset the nervous system. There's also something honest and grounding about touching the fabric of daily life. Clothes carry our sweat, our scents, our memories, our routines. Washing them can feel like reconnecting with your own life. In a gentle, physical way, it reminds you of who you are, what you do, and how much you've lived. For some people, that connection brings calm. Of course, not everyone loves laundry, and that's completely okay. There is no right or wrong feeling here. But for the people who do, it's rarely about the task itself. It's about the way that task interacts with their psychology, their need for order, their desire for clarity, their sensitivity to sensory comfort, or their quiet joy in caring for others. Laundry gives them something they need, but can't always put into words. Peace, softness, a moment of control, a small accomplishment, a clean beginning. So if you're someone who loves doing laundry, you're not strange. You're not too particular. You're not escaping real problems. You're responding to the emotional language of your own mind. You're choosing a task that grounds you, comforts you, and makes you feel more balanced inside. What looks like a simple chore is actually a psychological sanctuary you create with your own hands. Speech balloon, are you like this too? Do you feel calm when you do laundry? Do fresh clothes, warm towels, and tidy folds make you feel more relaxed or more like yourself? If so, share your thoughts in the comments. Your experience might help someone else understand why laundry feels comforting instead of tiring. And remember, sometimes the smallest routines are the ones that heal us the most. And if laundry is one of those routines for you, there is nothing strange about that. It simply means your mind knows what brings it peace.